So today I'm going to show you how I removed the banister from the staircase. Not too long ago, I dropped a 210 base cap. Dude, just show me how to... Wait, what? Yeah, man. I dropped a 210 base cabinet, 40 pounds worth, down the stairs. Luckily, the stairs were carpeted at the time. But it done scuffed up my handrail. Okay, let's go. Down at the bottom, got a little button there. I left mine a different color so I could see it. Anyway, you gotta look at a little pick or a little small screwdriver or something in there, and you can pick that out if you're like me and want to try and save it. But I think most of the time, you just knock this thing out, you bust it out, and you buy a new one. Anyway, pull that little cap out. Inside, half-inch screw there. You get a socket in there, and you take that screw out. And you get up to the top of the... And there it is, just another little cap there, right there. You pry that little cap off, and there's a little screw in there, and you take that screw out. And yeah, this guy put a finishing nail in there, so you're going to have to get that out too. Anyway, and you might wind up having some little finish nails in the spindles, and that's a pain. You're going to have to get those out too. Anyway, once I removed those, off came the handrail. That's it.